Hey, what's going on guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to demonstrate and explain for you a single arm cross-body tricep extension. This is going to be done from a supinated position, so I'm going to start back lying flat against either a bench or the floor. I'm going to take a single dumbbell and I'm going to extend it straight up, okay? Now when you have your clients performing this exercise, you want to make sure really emphasize good, strict technique first and foremost, okay? With a cross-body tricep extension, I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to place it against this bicep to hold it in place. That's not necessary for the exercise, but it's a good coaching cue to use, especially for novice level trainees. Now when I bring this dumbbell down, I'm going to bring the face of the dumbbell down towards my opposite shoulder while keeping this elbow pointed towards the ceiling. So second coaching cue for you, as is always the case, keep those elbows up and focus on getting your stretch on that tricep. So I go straight across, bringing it past my opposite shoulder. If you're using a heavier dumbbell, they might have to take their head and turn it just a little bit to the side, and then extend back up, right like so. And as usually the case with our tricep extensions, for any variation, third coaching cue for you, it's going to be to focus on flexing your tricep at the top to really emphasize that movement, okay? Now, if you have somebody that's really struggling with this motion, they can't quite get it or understand it, my suggestion, instead of continuing to coach them on it, have them do an easier tricep extension variation instead. Doing something like a single arm rolling tricep extension can oftentimes be easier for people to pick up. So instead of having them go across their body to their opposite shoulder, have them switch and bring it towards their near shoulder instead. See if that helps them out, okay? Anyway guys, try those coaching cues the next time we do cross-body single arm tricep extensions in one of our bootcamp classes.